In this video from Casio Help, we're demonstrating how to reset or remove the grand total from your daily Z report on the SE-S700 model. We're using the SEG1 in this video, but the process is the same on both machines. So when you take your end of day report on a SE-S700, you get the breakdown of your sales by department, cash in drawer, and you also get a non-resettable grand total appear at the bottom, so that when you do another Z report, everything else is reset to zero, but the grand total keeps churning away. It's not possible to force this to reset without actually resetting the machine and then losing all your programming data, but you can set the machine not to print this on the reports, so the total will keep adding up, but it just won't appear on your report, so your reports will just be what you've taken in this time period, normally daily. So to do this, turn the key round to PGM and then press 3, followed by subtotal, and then 0822 subtotal, followed by 02 cash subtotal. We'll get a little receipt printing out to confirm that you finished your programming, and then if you pop through a sale, and then run your Z report, key round to Z and then cash amount end. We've just popped £2 through the till. What we're expecting is for that £2 to show on the report, but for the total not to be on there. So yeah, the GT has been removed. You've basically got your cash in drawer total only. For more information on using Casio cash registers, please subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.